Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how to make dynamic lights, rainbow lights, and for this one you'll want a car. You want to make a new material, name it whatever name, like dynamic lights, and you want to put the GTE track to emissive shader. For the detail bump map you want to add the pattern and the no dirt texture. For the detail you want to put the rainbow pattern. For the bump map you want to put the blank normal. For the mask you want to put the no dirt one, and for the spec map you want to put the carbon mesh shader spec. You're done with the material for now. You want to make the selection. Okay, after you're done with the selection, and to detach it, just detach it and keep the original. After that you have the part that you want to select it, apply the dynamic light on it. You want to UV map it, just go to the left or front view, it's depending on what you want to do. And for this one I want to go from the middle, so I will center and go to the polygon view, select it, rotate on the I-axis 180, and you want to scale it a lot. I mean a lot, because it will go very fast, and you can preview the animation if you go to the 3D view or any view, just moving it to the left. You'll be able to preview the animation. Okay, after that, if you want to export it in game, now the right part will run, and the left part will just stop. So to fix this, you want to trick the game that the part you want it to be animated, it's only on the right side, but in the game will be in the middle, like the normal spot, but the game will think it's in the right side. So for this one you want to reset the axis to the world, make a copy of it, convert it to dummy, and drag the part into the dummy. Here you have the part and the dummy. You want to go to the move tool, move axis only on the x-axis. Actually you don't want to move the pivot, but it doesn't matter, and just drag it to the right. Probably this is good. You want to keep both selected, go to the mirror tool, go to the option and have this enabled, and make sure your pivot is disabled, and just left clicked for both the dummy and the part to be mirrored. After that you want to convert it to the compound, to L0, so you want to convert to the compound. And now if you will export it to the game, both sides will work, but sometimes you need to move it a little bit into the front, because with move axis disabled, because the car sometimes is not in the origin, so it's probably a little bit further into front, and the part will just collide with the front bumper. After that you want to move it a little to the top, rename it, do not have the same name with the bumper, and export it. Okay, now you want to go to the OpenIV. Make sure you have the folder selected. Go to edit mode, stream. After that you want to go to the texture directory and import the texture that you used. For us it is the rainbow pattern and the no dirt texture. Save it. And now you can test it to the game. If you check the car, we'll have the dynamic lights on the right spot and both sides working. And now, for example, if you want to have just two colors, not rainbow pattern, it's pretty easy to change that. So you want to go to the texture, replace the rainbow pattern with something else. I'll drop a pattern in the description, and you want to go to dynamic lights and put paint 2, 3, depending on what color do you want to change, on what color, and re-export it. You'll need to go to OpenIV again, go to texture directory again. You can delete the rainbow pattern and import the new pattern that I will drop it in the description too. And now you can test it in the game too. And now you can see the different pattern. And if you go to vehicle color, secondary color, because I put paint too, you will be able to change it. Okay, and now for example I will want to make the animated lights on the movable part, which for example can be the bonnet, the doors, the boot, anything that is moving, or the wheels. So for this one you want to make the selection. Okay, so I have the selection. I'll want to put the material. Go to the top view to UVMap it. To rotate it a little bit. And scale it up. Okay, that's enough. So now you want to do the same thing. Reset to Word, edit, copy, convert to dummy, move the, and go to the front view, go to move axis only on the x-axis, and move it a little bit to the left. Go to the mirror, make sure you have pivot disabled and the settings on the mirror. Just click. Now you want to convert it to compound to L0 and make sure you rename it to do not have the same with the bonnet, and put it inside the bonnet to just move with it. So now let's check it in game. Or I think I will need to move it a little bit to the, I need to move it a little bit up, because as I said, sometimes the car is not really centered, it's a little bit off, but just a little bit can mess up everything. Okay, and that seems to work. Let's go to the vehicle option, and pop up the hood, and you can see it's moving with the hood. Yeah, that's the thing with animated dynamic animated lights. I hope you enjoy it, you'll learn something new, and you can make very creative stuff with this. Thanks for watching.